the hidden secret of the moon. India's discovery that shocked the world. Hello, explorers of the unknown. Get ready for a journey that challenges everything we know about our natural satellite. For decades, the moon has been a symbol of mystery and fascination. But what India has just revealed about it is rewriting history and leaving even NASA in shock. We read talking about discoveries so intriguing that other space agencies are looking with concern at what truly lies on the moon's dark side. India's space awakening, from underdog to pioneer, to grasp the magnitude of what's happening. We need to go back and trace the incredible rise of the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. For a long time, India was seen as a developing nation, but behind the scenes, a quiet revolution was unfolding. It all began in 1975 when India took its first major step into the cosmos with the launch of Aryabhata, its first satellite. A remarkable milestone that showed the world this Asian nation meant business. But that was just the start. From there, ISRO mastered orbital launches with projects like Rohini, cementing its expertise and technological independence. The game changer came with the development of the PSLV Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, a versatile and highly reliable rocket that became the backbone of India's space program. With it, India not only launched its own satellites, but also offered services to other nations, proving it was a space power to be reckoned with. Water on the moon and the conquest of Mars. Signs of an ambitious future. The real turning point came in 2008 with the Chandrayaan-1 mission. Remember that name? It was Chandrayaan-1. That, to everyone's surprise, confirmed the presence of water on the moon. Yes, water. Not in vast oceans, but as ice hidden in polar craters. This discovery was a game changer, opening doors to the possibility of future lunar bases, and even InSight's resource exploration. And India didn't stop there. With a budget that would make major space agencies scratch their heads, ISRO achieved the unthinkable. It placed a probe in Mars orbit. The Mangalyaan mission, launched in 2013, was a triumph of ingenuity. In efficiency, proving that great achievements don't rely solely on billion-dollar budgets, but on passion, innovation, and determination. In 2017, ISRO broke a world record by launching an astonishing 104 satellites in a single rocket, a feat that left the world speechless and solidified India's reputation as a space superpower. The failure of Chandrayaan-2 and the lesson of persistence? Space exploration isn't all smooth sailing. In 2019, the Chandrayaan-2 mission faced a setback. While the orbiter was a success, the lander Vikram suffered a last-minute failure and crashed on the lunar surface. It was a moment of disappointment, but India didn't give up. On the contrary, this painful experience fueled ISRO to push further. Even amidst these challenges, India continued to innovate. As evidenced by the 2023 Aditya L1 solar mission, showcasing the country's ongoing technological evolution, they were preparing for something even bigger, the moon's south pole, the stage for a shocking discovery. And then came 2023, a year that will go down in space exploration history. India launched Chandrayaan-3 with a clear goal, to land on the moon's south pole, and this time, it was a resounding success. India became the first country to achieve a soft landing in this unexplored region. A remarkable technical feat. But why is the South Pole so important? Because it's believed to hold vast reserves of water ice in permanently shadowed craters. The region is also rich in rare minerals and offers a strategic advantage for future missions, with the promise of near-uninterrupted solar energy at its peaks. It's a location of inestimable value for humanity. Chandrayaan-3 not only landed successfully, but began sending data that has scientists in a frenzy. The lander, Vikram, and the small rover, Progyan, were exploring virgin terrain, uncovering secrets the moon has held for billions of years. Michio Kaku's warning. What did India really find? What exactly did India find? This is where the story gets truly intriguing. Sources began leaking information, and renowned physicist Michio Kaku spoke out with palpable concern. Known for his bold theories, Kaku raised the possibility that what Chandrayaan-3 discovered might not be mere geology. He spoke of strange subsurface movement and anomalous thermal signatures detected by the Indian mission. And that's not all. Reports mentioned subsurface voids, irregularly shaped substructures, and inexplicable temperature spikes. Picture this. the Indian probe detecting something that defies all geological understanding of the moon. Kaku went further, suggesting these anomalies could be artificial constructs or remnants of an ancient lunar phenomenon. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the possibility of non-natural structures, perhaps even of unknown origin, beneath the lunar surface. The nightmare scenario and ISRO's secret. He even mentioned a nightmare scenario, a euphemism for the possibility that these discoveries are not just rocks and craters, but something far more complex and potentially disruptive. We're talking about alien technologies, dormant systems, or inexplicable natural phenomena. Here's where the most thrilling element comes in: secrecy. What isn't reported in the media, what isn't disclosed to the public. The reality is that in space exploration, not everything is shared openly. There's always a card up the sleeve, something withheld for reasons of security, strategy, or perhaps to avoid panic. ISRO, for its part, has maintained a calculated silence about the specifics of these intriguing discoveries. There's speculation that a return mission is already being planned, not just to gather more data, but to investigate these anomalies up close. If Kaku's assumptions are correct, humanity is on the verge of having its understanding of the universe changed forever. What does the moon's south pole truly hide? Are we on the brink of a revelation that will reshape our view of the cosmos and our place in it? India, with its perseverance and innovation, may have opened a door to a secret the moon has guarded for eons. And we, curious by nature, can't wait to see what comes next. Stay tuned, because the next big headline might come straight from the lunar surface. Drop your comments and subscribe to Unexplored Abysses to dive even deeper into the secrets of the cosmos. Till next time.